Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Doesn't matter. Welcome to the channel. We'll talk about anything. So today we're going to do a video. We're going to do building in Ghana, professional plumbing work. And but before we start, yes, man, I got a comment from Ghana Finesse. So this is from Ghana Finesse, and he told his mind really. So we're going to listen. Let's listen.
Lentils are reinforcement not just for the windows and the doors but for the entire building. Blocks, bricks alone cannot hold the entire building together. This is how tropical countries build, and this is not just in Ghana. Please don't get it twisted with other countries' style of building. There's nothing wrong with his structure. By the way, a laborer is not an insult, is a person doing an unskilled job.
Okay, so you heard him. Now he said that the lintel reinforcement is for the whole building. Now, when I was talking about it, I said it's not really needed, but if they are going to do it, they should do it proper way. That's what I said. I said it's not needed. It doesn't make any sense to me because I even show you guys a picture, and that was also building a house with bricks, and they didn't use any those kind of things that they were using. I also, in that video, I said that you can also do it like this, making stronger iron rocks in it, so that if you're going to do it anyway, that it become even stronger. Okay, so I will give you guys advice about the whole situation, and I also showed you guys, let's say, so this thing, you can see that this is almost like in Ghana. You know, the bricks that they're using, it's almost like in Ghana. Big rocks, you can use the same, and the same thing they are using lantern. So it can be done, people. It can be done. It all depends how strong you are going to build the houses, and this is where my next video is going to come into action. The reason why it cannot support it is because of the what I show you guys last time. Also in the videos, I show you guys that in Ghana and all those countries, this is what we are doing. Things like this. We're doing this kind of things, making our walls even weaker than it is. Okay, you can see that this is the how do you call it, the reinforcement. You see that this is the reinforcement lintel. You can see what they have done it. They have hacked it, you know, so that they can put pipe in it. Do you think that this one is stronger? Is this strong? You have made it even weaker than it is. You can see that it's not even proper done, and that is the problem that I'm talking about. Okay, let me show you guys another thing that I think that in Ghana a lot of people don't understand. Look at this. Look at this, what is going on. This is the reinforcement, okay? And look at what they have done. So you are telling me that building like this is good. You have the reinforcement, according to you, that is protecting the whole building, but you have hacked it there. You have put a pipe in it. Are you telling me that this is very strong? No, of course not. It's not very strong. And that is the problem I'm trying to say. We are making our building weaker and weaker and weaker by doing crazy things. So I'm going to show you guys what is going on, and you should ask yourself this question. If you're building a house in Ghana right now, do you think that this is the only way to build a house? In developed countries, you have many ways to build a house. Will you build your house like this? In the future, you are planning to build a house in Ghana. Will you allow it to build like this? You are building a house, a new brand new house. You have all the space you have. Will you do it like this? So let's start the video. Maybe I will not talk.
Rush. Kwabena. Maybe you. Kwabena. I'm a day. We know. I won't say ringatan. Me any two or more two as I can. Tiana. Yeah.
So what I'm saying is that this rain pipe is going to be in the reinforcements lintel. Now the enforcement, you know, means that it's going to go around the building without any tin blocking it or tin, you know, putting something in it. Then you see what I'm talking about. So this kind of building, see, like I said in another video, you can do it, but it's a waste of money. There are many ways. There are better ways to build your house than you think, but we don't do it. But let's continue.
This meant I'm very unsure. I stay city. I'm beaming.
I want you to count how many beams, PVC beams, PVC pipes they are putting in the beams.
Log on infinity. Sa ne sa so sa ba ko so no no ba ko so no kitchen no ringata no and we need kitchen waste kitchen kitchen sin na we ni be fa we need ringata we need kitchen waste.
Now the question is kitchen waste. So there's a kitchen upstairs. But now they have kitchen upstairs.
So I make my kitchen and I get to work. Now say Chamako so I try to get to work. And I form kitchen as a na pipe we see kitchen in Finfino. A floor drain in so big good kitchen here. And so big good kitchen here. And I say if you move flat there, I emphasize so big good kitchen here. A floor drain, you know, they be all done soon from just say, yeah.
He said that if your house gets flooded, you can use the drainage system to drain all the water out of your house. Okay, that's a great idea. Okay, great idea. But there's a problem with this method. But there's also a solution for this method. And I'm going to show you guys this. This method is already invented. Okay, so it's not a big deal. You can just go to the site. I'm going to give some sites for you guys and some products. These products, I'm not doing advert for these people. I'm just showing you guys. I don't even have the people don't know me enough. I have like 621, so people don't know me yet to give me even to give me money to do the adverts. So this is on you. You have to buy yourself. Okay, so let's continue. So let me put it like this, and this is where it gets fun. This is a good idea, but I'm gonna show you guys why if you do it like this, it's a bad idea. Now you have to understand that the drainage system is connected to the gutter. So if it rains and the level of the gutter go up, the water will come into your house. Okay, if there's a flood, the water will come into your house. But there's a solution for this thing, baby, and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. And this is this. So here you have water. So if your house gets flooded, all the water can go outside. But this one, the thing that you have here, there's a special case for it that you have to buy it so that it protects it. Okay, So when the water is draining, everything will go out, but water cannot come inside. See, that's a great thing. So the water can be drained outside, but water cannot come inside. So then you cannot get flooded. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys some other things that you can buy, and it will also help you out. So this one is also some of the products you can use. So this one is this one that I show you guys. You can see the orange one is the same thing. You have many ones. So you have this one, all of them that you can do. So but the price are a little bit expensive. You see that's 200, almost 300 euros, something like that. And then you have this also, but this one you cannot use. You can only maybe use this one, maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe this one. Let's check this one. Okay, the same thing. You also have, I think, no, they can use this one and that kind of stuff. But I also find this one that you can use for the draining system itself, that you can put it in and you can use it, and you can see so this is what you can use. When it's closed, and when the water comes in, the thing will open just like this. You see that? So everything is invented. It doesn't cost enough too much. You can see it's €13.40, and if you buy a lot, I think you will get but this one is only in the Netherlands, so I don't know how you're gonna get it. Maybe if you buy more. Okay, so they have a lot of sizes: draining, floor draining, backflow preventing. So you can see there's a lot of things that you can draining. So a lot of things they are selling here. I'm not doing any advert for these people. I'm just showing you guys that if you don't want your house to get flooded, maybe you can buy this thing, and yeah, that is what. So that is what I'm trying to say.
Hana bathroom we suni. Yeah, my create here. Yeah, say it.
So you have this one also. This one is also in. This one is also going to go through the lintel beam up.
Pipe 2 na on ba ko ye toilet. The echo soro no. Ba ko ye toilet na ba ko ye ide udware so ni be fam. Na we no so ye ide no. The cement say no ye baby twitwi yesin na toilet na wo no. Na high bathroom. Nti ana bathroom no beto block say glass be so nice glass. E be so nti we be slide no. Enye sliding door for glass ni be glass, plain glass. Nti block be ba say the door never have a 2.6 half 2 feet and a half, yeah, mama can say 3 inches 2 feet and a half have a in between has yeah into room bathroom or any wall once left so and I'm washing basin so once right now toilet no office toilet no sanabe and I pipe green or no and no now we check no you so a bathroom on be here kitchen ni dey na han ni so e baba from on ni dey no yeah nti omoto blog ni wi a ye be twen we ni dey ama na dey be fafa wall nim eno dey na ya twen bath no so dey ama no na ya twen toilet so dey ama no eno be ketwa eno nya kesi no ye ketwa eno no sa na ye no kesi ni ba yinsa ya na ketwa na wacha ama no ni nyina e bia ko water heater nim ni ade sa na oba ha we no mamen ko ni se enso ye visiting toilet no eno ni visiting toilet no ni eno no gate ni da ha visiting toilet no ni eno no gate ni da ha gate na da ha nti u bebie akose bebie akose nti u bie ko se ya basin ni wo ha ena ko wanim kakra toilet no so ho toilet no so and say na wodu bath no the bath no so be glass bath a glass bath me send you some pictures in Brazil a glass plain bath and sliding plain ya to sliding no o slide ni say efe pa take one ni bi nti be si block keto bi be say half block as a full block kra na block be ba no ma ton ties kama na glass bath siso na wa slide akose umbi obe slide to be dware a
yeah, sorry for the. So this one, the reason why it's black is because I'm using green screen, and it's taking it out. That's why. Okay, so sorry about that.
obi dware a enso ni mbegu a obi betumi ayen shower curtains but we in glass na looking more nice me we say shower curtains but we betumi the glass na si block no so na just say oma drill ama wall no na nti wall ha how hwa wall ha sa pipe white ya men satena so eno no ba be so wall ni mfimfi eno no we ni wash and basin but I dey door ne da and I hear pipe where also ya 4 inches and no yeah soro no toilet no and a bit soro no dine wall so no bathroom so no toilet no 4 inches never so and I hear pipe green it's yana no yeah pipe green way and no yeah bathroom way na yi ni service and edin so be bathroom way or visiting washroom no edin so nti no you be chairman no na ebi aba wash and ebi be toilet na ebi aba shower nim na ebi aba water heater nim yeah and I hear pipe we are green am dey share eyi mo ya dey share pillar nim e be kosoro and no eye two ne share pillar nim floor back bia dey back floor back bia dey back eduru soro a me chama no eduru eyi bia so a friends floor back bia so back be check ama floor ni nyina because aha na polytank ni bisi sa ohwe sa ma membre machi na hade on sa 4 square away.
So I'm going to show you guys how we do it, and then you can ask yourself why is that, of that even better is also. This one is the same idea what is said about the toilet. So you can see that here, you can see that this is the foundation, there's no pipes go through, and then they have laid everything. You see how they are laying it? But if you look at how we lay, this is how we lay it. Okay, this is how we lay it. And this makes more sense because you can see that. You can see how they are laid. Everything is connected to one pipe. Will save you a lot of money. And your building is secure. So this is how to do it. You can see it. Nothing is in the walls. This is the best way to do it. So this one, they're going to lay, so the foundation, you do it double walls so that it will support the weight that they're going to put it on it. So you can see that the outside walls are just big bricks, almost like the bricks that we use in Ghana. It's double bricks, and they're going to lay everything on it. And you see they even putting lintel. This one is the under the ground. So this one is where when there's a fault in your pipe, when you want to lay something in your garden, sometimes you have an opening here. So, most of the time it's in front of your house. I have a video, I will post it, you can check that video out. A lot of people have watched that video. Then you can come into the place like where the pipe is, and this place is where, so I'm thinking this is the kitchen or maybe the toilet, you know. So you can come here on the ground and you can fix those things. But in Ghana you don't have it. At the moment they have laid everything is case closed. You even have let's check this one. So that is what I'm talking about. There's a lot of things we can do to make sure that our building is proper done. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, so we don't need the lintel all over the building, because the reason why we do it is because how we are doing it. We are putting PVC pipes in the lantern. We are breaking it off and putting it, making the building itself even not even strong. That is the reason why we do it.
Idru soro a ɛhɔ na polytank ni bi se nti idru soro a maka che yi ni se ɔmfa pillar nsim ɛwɔ hɔ, but ɛno no bɛkɔ ɛwɔ ha se ande unhu, but idru soro a ɔyɛ a ɔbɛ mana kɔnti saa for yi polytank bi si so. Polytank no ne door no da ha, ne door no ɛda ha, aha ne ha ɛyɛ ha ɛna ha nti wura mu a hu washing basin say yi na ɛwɔ no hu baby twitwi yɛse no ɛna on sa left so yɛ bath block tia etwam ebisi wall no so ti yɛ bath nti wo slide na wura bath nim ɛna hu washing basin na toilet so wo say nti toilet no so no wo say no nti ahane ne door no wo dan ma wo door ni ti wo be wuram na washing basin nti sa pipe 2 is so hu baako for drain water ɛwɔ polytank no so, baako yɛ drain water ɛwɔ polytank no so. Yes, a pipe 2 na ketwa no yɛ bathrooms na ɛwɔ you know soro no no nsu fin no baby a wodware na wotwitwi osi ɛbɛfa no na yɛ ketwa no nti eduru a ebetwam akɔsoro na matwe bi ama matwe bi aba next floor na nso duru na etwam akɔsoro na matwe bi ama next floor sana ɛno no tie but when they go street to flow eyinim ebi a polytank ni basis no sana tie nti sai we so yɛ de be supply nsu na ɛwɔ saa bathroom wi mu no saa pipe we baby ye be supply no ɛno so duru a ebetwa ne sɛ ya ama na supply ama sana tie nti no pipe no on di ne tintin ni baby eduru no no de just omoto block no wi no mo de eyi ni be hyemu a na ya toto pipe wa no de beto ye emise 4 inches no ye 4 inches no ene beto baako so de aka na ye half ye no kwa na beto baako de aka ne de nyina ebi o to pH the on pipe and stairs ye pp no and drew a and the connection of baby a benye meter say meter no be you better twan akwa yi o entity wo say just say your man pp say the baby concrete no entity wo say ni na be hye nti no waste ni hye form no o kra wan fa hwe an share because baby entimi soro na ya na ehia say odi baby be hye.
So I have another picture for you guys. So this one is also how they lay the pipes. You can see. So this thing is not like yellow ones are electric wires. So they lay that one on the ground. So that is for everything. You can see that they have laid a lot of them. So there are people in the office that architect who will draw everything. You know. Who will draw everything. There are people that love it. See, a lot of I think the youth in Ghana needs to play a lot of games. If we play games, our mind will be a lot of people when they are doing this. They also have like the way of planning. This is planning. Okay, so they have planned everything, how they are going to do it. The architect have planned where all the pipes should come, and when that happens, the boys only have to go there and place it. You cannot say that you want to do something else. If you want to do something, you have to talk with the people that know stuff. Okay, so you have, this is just your work that you have to do, and you're just laying down. And if you know, if you want to if something doesn't fix or something, then you ask for help, and then they will come, they will tell you, okay, fix it different way, and then they will correct it. They will put it in the the blueprint that they have corrected it, that it look different, but not all the thing, like only maybe for the pipes, because the pipes is very important. The electricity is very important, because if you're going to dig for the electricity, you have to know where it is. Okay, because if something's if something's wrong, you have to know where it is. So this is what they do, and then delay everything on the ground. So I'm talking too much, and let's focus on doing this. Let's check it.
Sanity. Yeah, I'm in fact also the intro. So here we are. You know, she's a pillars on pipe no. Pipe no nyina pillars no. So has is so there no. Nyina pillars no.
Why are you putting pipes in the pillars? It's a new building. You can put it.
No ho embroso ha eno ni. No, and also from na sanego ba unhu. Ano sa no mboka enko yenja se uchi mo ha ama na say ayi bibi say na say debi the make no aja say enyi say is ombe no ba ko na a slide abegu this side see maybe we in maybe be a much trade we almost say anwa no ko mi so omonya mfamba on begu a we need so much missing you know ni mti ma cheche no plan mu kra no ma say aha baby a ombetwe aba na ombe project aba ni mo no toilet and bath so to mu project ba say me de e bi be fa beam nim sa beams ni ge so enti say we na flat no and on a bear round and as a four square kese ti say me de pipe be shim pipe su de ne waste ni de na 4 inches toilet ni de be shim because no bia ni ase ya block bia ni ase be fam nti say be fam nti omo ye we na no de no later kra omo ye soro na ya checking ya kotor no so no maybe in Sweden you for mutino okay.
So yeah, this is how we build our houses. This is how the tropical countries build their houses, putting pipes in the reinforcement. So if you think that this is the best way to build our houses, destroying the reinforcement, yeah, then that is how we build our houses. But if you think that we can do better, we can change the way we build our houses, then we should, the young people with new ideas should come sit down with architects. Even in school, if you're doing some project and you disagree with the teacher, you have to tell them it doesn't make sense, teacher, we can do better. Then you explain how you want to do it, and this is how new ideas come into the picture. We have to develop Ghana. We have to build proper houses. We have to build silver houses for our children and for ourselves. That is what I want. When I see this kind of crazy things, reinforcement, you put a pipe in it, come on people. This is not reinforcement. This is dangerous work. Okay? So I hope that you guys love this video, and I'll see you guys next time.